गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज मॉर्निंग वर्गर्स और आज ये वीडियो में है दो पार्ट्स। आप लोग ने सही सुना, देयर आर टू पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस वीडियो। सो द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज बेसिकली अ डे क्वारंटीन लाइफ और जो सेकंड पार्ट है वो मेरा कंटिन्यूशन वीडियो है ऑफ माय ट्रेन ट्रैवल फ्रॉम मुंबई टू केरला ड्यूरिंग कोविड-19 वाला, जहाँ पे मैंने बोला था कि मुझे सर्टेन इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करने हैं। इट इज बेसिकली लाइक अ शॉर्ट Q&A session. So yeah guys, watch the whole video, and if you only want to see the Q&A session, I am putting the timestamp in the description below. You can check it out. Also guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and yeah, that's it guys, let's get started. सो गाइज़ मैं उठी लाइक 10 बजे उठी थी, बट बहुत ज़्यादा बॉडी पेन था, वो ट्रैवलिंग और इतना सारा बैग्स वगैरह कैरी करने की वजह से। सो बेसिकली आई वेंट ऑफ टू स्लीप ऑल ओवर अगेन, एंड मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली गर्म पानी पी रही हूँ एंड स्टीम ले रही हूँ मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली, लाइक दिन में 2 या 3 बार मैं भी स्टीम ले रही हूँ। फिर वही एक्सरसाइज वगैरह थोड़ा करना है अब, और दूसरा मैंने खिड़कियाँ वगैरह खोल के रखी है बिकॉज उन्होंने कॉल किया और बोला वेंटिलेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे कैसा मेन रोड आता है हमारा, तो मैं ये खिड़कियाँ नहीं खोल सकती। आई हैड टू ओपन द विंडो दैट इज़ फेसिंग, लाइक एक और विंडो है वहाँ पे, वो तो साइड में खोल सकती हूँ वेंटिलेशन के लिए, तो बेसिकली मैंने वो खोल के रखा है। अब लंच आएगा, मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि मैं कैसा लंच लेती हूँ, क्या है क्या नहीं है। सो गाइज मैं कल जब आई तो मुझे डैड का कॉल आया कि छोटे छोटे डब्बे में तेरे लिए बहुत सारे खाने पीने के सामान रखे हुए हैं, तो ज़रा खोल के देख लेना करके। एंड वो सुन के तो मैं भाई बहुत एक्साइट हो गई हूँ बिकॉज आई एम अ बिग टाइम फूडी। और आई वॉज लाइक चलो ठीक है, देख लिया मैंने सब वैसे तो खोल के, बिकॉज मुझसे तो रहा नहीं गया, तो मैंने तो सारी चीज़ें खोल के देख ली है। एंड सच्ची बोल रही हूँ, मुँह में पानी आ गया, बट मैंने सोचा कि खाने से पहले मैं आप लोग को दिखा दूँ कि मेरे डैड ने मेरे लिए क्या क्या रखा हुआ है। और ये सारी चीज़ें ऐसी चीज़ें जो बेसिकली मैंने कभी मुंबई में नहीं देखी है, मिलती होगी, दिखती होगी, कहीं भी होगी पता नहीं, बट मुझे बेसिकली कभी नहीं दिखी है और ना बेसिकली मेरे को वहाँ पे खाने मिली है। तो या सो चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या है वो चीज़ें। These are those food items that my dad have kept inside my room before I reach. This is jackfruit ka halwa. My dad is a good cook, so he made it for me. And this is uniapam. I am not quite sure how do you call or what do you call this in English or in Hindi. I am not quite aware of it. But these are small rice cake balls, and it's called uniapam. Then we have this bananas, and this is passion fruit. I am quite sure you must have heard about this. This is like a hard covering outside, and inside of this it is the fruit. You have to just cut it and then you have to eat it. Then you have this. This is rambutan. That is how we call it in Kerala. I'm not aware of what it is in English or in Hindi. I'm not quite sure. It is kind of lychee but not exactly lychee, and my dad these days call them as coronavirus. So yeah. काफ़ी बोर हो रहा है मेरे को अभी फ़िलहाल, और पता नहीं क्या करना है और क्या नहीं, बिकॉज अकेली हूँ और बस खा रही हूँ, पी रही हूँ, लेट रही हूँ, गाने सुन रही हूँ, इसके अलावा मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है करना क्या है। तो क्वारंटीन यार, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, वो भी कमरे के अंदर रहना तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है यार। गाइज अभी इट्स लाइक 1:30 हो गया है अभी फ़िलहाल, और लंच टाइम है। तो मैंने एक्चुअली सोचा आपको बता दूं कि मैं एग्जैक्टली कैसे कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे। मेरे डैड ने गेट के जो डोर है उसके बाहर एक छोटा सा टेबल अरेंज करके रखा हुआ है। उस पर मैं अपना जो यूटेंसिल्स है लाइक प्लेट्स और वगैरह जो भी रहता है वो सब मैं बाहर रखती हूँ, एंड मैं आवाज़ देती हूँ उनको कि मैंने प्लेट्स रख दिया है करके, एंड देन आई क्लोज द डोर। एंड आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 5 मिनट्स के बाद वो लोगों को मैसेज कर देती हूँ कि अब आ सकते हो करके। फिर आके मेरा जो भी है पानी, जूस, कॉफ़ी या फिर जो खाने का है लंच डिनर सब ऐसे ही कर रहे कि उन लोग प्लेट्स में डाल के देंगे। एंड देन आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स मैं खोल के आई टेक ऑल दोज यूटेंसिल्स इनसाइड विद द फूड। एंड हाँ, उसके बाद खा पी तो ही लूँगी ऑब्वियसली, बट और क्या काम है मेरे को यहाँ पे। तो मैं खा पी के फिर ऑब्वियस बात है कि आई कैन नॉट गिव द प्लेट्स आउटसाइड, तो मैं यहीं पे वॉशरूम में ही सारे यूटेंसिल्स वगैरह धो लेती हूँ। सो या दैट इज़ हाउ मेरा लंच, डिनर, ब्रेकफास्ट, टाइम पास के खाने की चीज़ें है। तो बेसिकली मैं सिर्फ खा रही हूँ, पी रही हूँ और सो रही हूँ, उसके अलावा कुछ कर नहीं रही यहाँ पे। या दैट्स इट। अभी तो मैं फ़िलहाल खाने का ही वेट कर रही हूँ, रखा है प्लेट बाहर। लेट्स सी आज मुझे अभी खाने में क्या मिलता है।
So this is what I have got today: chicken curry, chapati, rice, and दो सब्जी। Oh my god, मेरे को सब्जियाँ नहीं पसंद है swear.
हाय गाइस, सो मैं थोड़ा सा अभी उठी, फ्रेश।
हाँ ओके।
पापा ने कुछ ला के दिया है, लेट्स सी।
चिप्स, बनाना चिप्स गर्मा गर्म अभी बनाया। नाउ इट्स लाइक 7:30, तो मैं पूरा फ्रेश होके आ गई थी। अब जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा चिप्स आया है, तो अब मैं थोड़ा सा चिप्स खाऊंगी, फिर अगेन खाना खाऊंगी, वही खाओ पियो सो।
I have finished my dinner by 9:30. Now I'm off to sleep. I am very tired. It's just 10 o'clock, but that's still I'm very very tired. वो train travel का जो tiredness है वो अभी तक गया नहीं है. So I'm off to sleep early today, and yeah, that's it for today. That's all for today now, and it's time to take ta-ra from y'all.
So hey guys, this is the second part of the video. Before starting the proper second part, I just wanted to tell you that whatever I will be saying in my second part of the video, it is just basically a short question and answer, that is Q&A session with a few informations and other stuff that I'm going to give. Basically those information and those experience that I'm going to share are from 1 month back. सो अगर आप अभी ट्रैवल करने का सोच रहे हो, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप ट्रैवल करने से पहले दूसरे सोर्स से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करो। तो बेसिकली यू नीड टू कलेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेज हैज़ वेल, बिकॉज वट एवर आई से इज अब समथिंग फ्रॉम द पास्ट। सो ऐसे कोविड के सिचुएशन में ऐसा है कि सब कुछ बहुत रैपिडली चेंज हो रहा था। ऑल द रूल्स, ऑल द रेगुलेशन, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट रैपिडली चेंजिंग. Sometime it's 28 days quarantine, sometime it's 14 days quarantine, so you really don't know what is happening where. So just take information from other source as well. So that's it, and let's get started to the second part. And today's video is a short Q&A session based on my previous video, that is train travel from Mumbai to Kerala during COVID-19. जैसे मैंने उसमें मेंशन किया था, आई वांट टू शेयर फ्यू इन्फॉर्मेशंस, फ्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस रिगार्डिंग माय ट्रैवल, बट देन ऑल्सो आई गॉट बहुत सारे डीएम्स, नॉट बहुत सारे डीएम्स बट थोड़े डीएम्स आए थे, कुछ डीएम्स आए थे वेर इन देवर क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग द सेफ्टी एंड अदर स्टफ्स. So I sorted out their queries, but then I thought many of you must be having the same queries as well. So I made this short video for you guys. Do watch the whole video so you get all the answers. Well, it's not a long video. I've just added up 4 to 5 questions. That's it, and my experience as well. So yeah, that's it guys. So let's get started with the video. Guys, I'm really sorry for the delay of this video as I had to upload my previous video, but I really wanted to upload this video ASAP. Okay, so if you haven't followed my Instagram account, do follow it quickly. The link is in the description below. So yeah, let's get started with the questions. Okay, so our first question is, hi. Okay, this is not a question, it's just a random message. I hope you are safe and in quarantine. Yes, I am safe and I am in my quarantine. I was in my quarantine like few days back. I got released. I happened to come across your vlog on YouTube. I am quite happy to hear that. I'm very glad. I'm planning to travel to Kerala as soon as well. Just wanted to ask you if your baggage was screened and sanitized at Panvel station. Okay, I noticed you did not mention anything about it in your vlog. It would be of great help. Thanks in advance. Cheers. Cheers, man. Okay, I did not mention it on my vlog because there was nothing like that. Yeah, there was nothing like that. There were no sanitization process, no bags were screened, nothing was done. I just walked in, just okay, हाँ ये मेरा seat है, tick 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 tick, okay, thermal screen, okay, bye. That's it. That's it. There was nothing. So that is the reason why I did not mention it. Okay, so the second question is, was it safe at night to travel, and were there families or just bachelor men? Okay, there were not just bachelor men, there were families as well. There were group of friends, there were single women, so everyone was there, so it was quite safe when I traveled. So this is basically a month back. So yeah, that was safe at that point of time. There was no such risk basically at night, but if you feel there is a risk, you should definitely tweet it on Twitter so that somebody can help you out in the next station. So yeah, that's it. So let's move on to the third question. The third question is, weren't you scared going with a cab driver without having online information? So yeah, okay, that was basically my first and foremost question when I just landed on there, because I was like, dude, there is no online information that we are getting for this cab drivers. So what do I do now? But then luckily, let me tell you, there were the railway officials who just jotted down which driver is going where, their number, their contact number, their cab number, their name, and everything. All informations were jotted down so that they get to know which person is going where. So yeah, and for a safer side, I also was looking on my Google map so that I know whether we are going in the right direction. So that's what I did. So yeah, that's it. The fourth question is, okay, the fourth question, most of the questions were about the cleanliness. Okay, the cleanliness and sanitization of the train was like, if I had to rate it out of 10, I would give it an 8, because yeah, the seats were quite sanitized. It looked like it was freshly sanitized. The washrooms were very good, they were neat and clean. But then in sometime it's just happened that somebody just leaves it dirty or something like that. You just have to tell somebody, the main person around, someone will be there who is going to help you in that train. So they will just help you out, and if there is no one, you can just, as I said before, just tweet it on your Twitter account. So they will help you in the next station. So yeah, that's it, guys. And now the final answer of the question, when I said that experience may differ from people to people. So that is because of the main issue, social distancing. Yeah, so the answer may only differ due to social distancing, because when there is social distancing between the people traveling, there are less possibilities of danger. So it's like फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक मैं अपना बता लेती हूँ, हमारे एक कैबिन में 8 लोगों के लिए सीट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड होता है. उसमें से अगर हम 7 लोग हैं, हाउ विल someone cannot even try to keep social distancing, right? Because you don't know, you cannot change place and sit, because you don't know whether somebody will come there or not. So you have to sit where you are. So in that case, you are not safe, you won't feel safe. But at the same time, there was a lady who was all alone in her cabinet, so for her it was quite safe. Nobody's sticking to her or nobody's talking to her. She's all alone chilling around. So for her it's cool, okay. But then for us it wasn't. So that is the reason why it may differ from people to people. So the social distancing is the main point which I thought wasn't there in my cabin. Basically, in my compartment there were many empty seats, but then everybody had to bombard into our cabin itself. So that is not our fault. That is the seating arrangements that were not proper. So I just came home and I just tweeted a complaint on my Twitter account. So that's all what I can do, right? So that is what I did. So that's it, guys. Hope you really like this video, the whole video from the start, the first part as well. So guys, that's it for today, and this is the end of the video, and hope you liked the video. Hope it helped you out. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here, and also share this video to your friends, family, or whoever is traveling. Help them out with this piece of information, and also hit the bell icon so you get notified with my upcoming videos as well. So that's it, guys. Meet you in my next video. Meet you soon. Ciao. And also subscribe if you are new here. Just subscribe if you are new here. So yeah, guys, also someone on there. कर लो भाई.